Welcome to Godwin Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to pin apps to the taskbar of your Windows 11 computer. Most times, applications are pinned to the taskbar because the user wants to access them easily. Okay, so if you use an application frequently in your PC, you may consider pinning it to the taskbar so that anytime you want to use the app, all you need just to click on this, as it is on the taskbar for it to open, then you start the task you want to complete. So let's get started. The first is to access the app. So tap on the search app pin at the taskbar by default. Okay, this will open a bar for you to type the application you want to get to. So in this sample, let's assume I want to get to Microsoft Word. So I'll type Word in the search space. Word. Alright, this brings up the Word application. Okay, so right click on the app and select the option to pin to taskbar. You can see once you do that, the app will appear at the taskbar just like I've done. See the Word app here on the taskbar of my computer. So these are just the few steps you need to take to pin an application to the taskbar of your PC. So if you have other applications you want to pin to the taskbar, still follow this guide and you'll get it done. Thank you. Please do want to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment. If you want me to do any video that are related to this or Windows 11 in general, just drop it at the comment section. I will create time to make a video of that nature. Stay good.